That's Kanika Kapoor.
Hi guys, how are you?
So everybody is wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Is this your birthday dress?
Well, no, I just got something new out from Drama Queen. It's a label from Dubai.
Okay. It's your birthday. What plans for the day?
Well, I'm just need to have finish this and then I have rehearsals.
Okay.
So I'm kind of half day working and then I'll have a bite. I'm going for a facial actually. So
you need a facial?
Yeah, a little bit, scruffing, exfoliating.
Are you addressed as Kanika Kapoor or are you addressed as Baby Doll?
Actually, a lot of people now call me Baby Doll, and before they used to call me Jugni Ji. I mean, I don't want to name, but some of the greatest people on their phones I've seen, I've tried to edit, take their phone and edit my name. It's like Kanika Kapoor, or they just Baby Doll.
Just Baby Doll. मतलब किसी ने Kanika Kapoor लिखा ही नहीं है. कान खोल के सुनना the name that she's taking of the different places and make sure you go and book your tickets.
So we are going to London on the 5th.
London.
And we're performing at the Royal Festival Hall. And then we come back.
Yes.
And then we're going to America and Canada. For 20 days we will be there, guys. So we have about 9 shows, I think. A
lot of people from Pakistan and Lahore are also saying a big hello to you.
Coming to Pakistan in November, I think.
By the time you go to Pakistan, तब तो Kanika Kapoor के मतलब 100 गाने आ ही जाएंगे.
Actually, we have by November we have I think 8 or 9 songs. It's not an album, but we will have like different singles, but really fun, mad singles.
Mad singles. Okay, that's interesting. And
so I'm gonna continue to make you guys laugh and actually laugh. You guys will be on the floor when you hear my next song. I think the next step is you guys are gonna see me on screen with my own singles. So
awesome. So
from next month.
From next month?
Yeah.
So what do you do to maintain this beauty?
Nothing. I think it's from my. I'm lucky from my grandmother.
Grandmother.
My genes. My mother, my grandmother, my father. They're all beautiful.
Right. And I'm sure you must be working out as well.
Hardly.
Is it like going to be a working birthday exactly for you?
Now after this I have my rehearsals for my single, my shoot.
Right.
That you guys are going to hear on the 16th of September.
She gave out the date? Like, are you serious, Kanika? You gave out the date?
It's the first time I've actually given the date out. So you guys are special.
Right. Of course.
Oh,
for you.
Very sweet.
You have to open and see it.
Yes. I love the box. Let's see. So yummy. Fame loves Kanika Kapoor.
Woohoo! You gotta love us back.
I love you guys. I love you, Fame. Thank you. I love this cake. It smells really good.
Happy birthday to you.
That's so
Happy birthday to you. Krupa's not singing. Happy birthday, dear Kanika.
Can I feed you guys?
Happy birthday to
Here we
you.
go. Here's to Fame.
It's yummy.
Oh baby doll मैं सोने दे आज मेरी birthday है यार
Happy birthday. So do you do a riyaz? Are you
of course I'm a classically trained artist.
Are you?
And I have a teacher who comes to practice with me a few times in a week.
Right.
I have to do riyaz because now we are working on some really serious stuff which is not just dance, it's very, working with Preetham, I'm working with a lot of very important...
Right. Oh, by the way, Preetham is doing a show for us, it's called Fame Web Singer.
Okay, lovely.
And, we are hunting people through the app. So
he's so cool.
Record things and they send it on the app.
I love Preetham, I think he's like the most amazing director.
Right.
Yeah, so much talent. So I must really look after my throat and of course, practice is very important because otherwise you can't sing.
Can we hear a Saregama, the basic... thing from Kanika Kapoor?
Yeah, of course you can. I'll do 2 lines of a tarana.
Okay, awesome. So guys, this has never happened before.
Na dir dir dani tadani tom tana na dir dir dani tadani tom tana na tadare dani dim dara tumdre dani. That's it.
You're an all-rounder, man. Like, seriously.
So I haven't done my riyaz this morning, so my throat is not...
What is in this world that Kanika Kapoor cannot do? I am really
No, but I'm taking out a whole Sufi side of me. So, watch the space.
Okay, so in terms of voice, I think you've captured everything now.
I think you have to still... There's a lot left.
There's a lot left?
Yeah,
like?
Just watch.